America monge kaka Maverick City oriwre kod kambi mar All Media Services nyasi mar ngolo mageto timore pinje mopogore Africa, Ulaya kod Asia. Nyasi monge kaka The Kingdom Tour biro timore pinje chik Africa. Kajo thum mopogore biro moro mag wende Crystal Counties mag Nairobi kod Mombasa. Jathum Kirk Franklin biro telo jower mamoko mag nyasi no biro kelo achiel kachiel mbui mar Citizen TV kokalo chiero mar Gospel Sunday. Nyakalondo mar Hot 96.
Again, it's exciting in partnership with International Christian Church to bring our audiences renowned Maverick City Worship Group becoming alongside Kirk Franklin. And this is very important for us as well because it enables us to complete that loop, the 360 degrees experience in terms of entertainment that we're bringing our audiences and our worship experience. So what is in TV, what they hear on the radio, what they interact with on our digital platforms, to now fully live on the ground. And we have to save the date, August 17th, Saturday, Nairobi, the Uhuru Gardens, Sunday, the 19th, in Mombasa. Mama
tickets are going in Kenyan shilling, right? Tickets are going for 2,499 for the general admission, and that's a pre-sale price because the ticket price will actually go up to the equivalent